Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2013 Mazda CX5, stock number 6580. This ran from 2nd 2012 to the 12th 2016. It has an SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight. Left front carb, no dents. Left front 19-inch factory aluminium tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 19-inch factory aluminium tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 19-inch factory aluminium tyre. Right rear door, 1 dent and 3 scratches. Right front door, 1 dent. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,